What's the biggest butterfly effect you have ever experienced? My great-grandfather fought in World War II and had a number of near-death experiences. He was taken as a prisoner of war and interrogated by being forced to watch his best friend getting tormented. He was eventually freed from the camp by Allied forces, and he always told me about the one German soldier who spared his life. This soldier was no ordinary man either. He had actually fought with my great-granddad during World War I, before great-granddad emigrated to America. Believe it or not, he ran into this soldier twice on the battlefield. The first time they had a knife fight, and thankfully both of them survived, but the second time, my great-grandfather's battalion was ambushed. The German soldier pointed his firearm at my great-grandfather, and in a last-ditch desperation attempt, he took out a photo of my newborn grandmother and begged the German soldier to let him live. The soldier put his weapon down and zip-tied him, taking him to the prison camp where he was saved. Fast forward to 2015, when I met my wife, and she is German. She told me a story about how her great-grandfather who fought in the war spared some guy because he pulled out a picture of his daughter. It took a solid hour to convince her I wasn't making it up, and that was my great-grandfather. If things had gone differently, one of us wouldn't be here.